So in this video I'm just going to tell you that how you can easily remove a group chat on Facebook Messenger. So that's quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin, and first of all open up Facebook Messenger and just open up that specific chat which you want to remove, and just click on its profile picture and try to come to this section, and then just scroll down, and here you see the option of block. If you want to just remove this chat, just simply click on block on Messenger, or if you also want to block it on Facebook, just click on block on Facebook. So if you don't want to block and just don't want to get the notifications from this specific group chat, just click on notifications and sounds, and if someone have just toggled on this option in this way, so what you all have to do is just toggle off this option like this, and here you can just select the time, like for 15 minutes, 1 hour and 24 hours. I'm just selecting the 15 minutes and then just like okay. So this is how you can easily remove a group chat on the Facebook Messenger. So if you have any question about the tutorial, just let me comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe. Thanks guys.